Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest products. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare with a product that's been making waves, the Native Body Wash. But not just any body wash. We're talking about the best natural body wash for acne-prone skin on the market. If you're someone who struggles with acne or sensitive skin, finding the right body wash can be a challenge. But fear not, because Native has got you covered. With their naturally derived ingredients and gentle formula, this body wash is a game changer for anyone dealing with breakouts. So, what sets Native apart from the rest? Well, for starters, it's free of sulfates, parabens, and dyes, all common culprits that can irritate sensitive skin and worsen acne. Instead, Native uses cleansers derived from coconut oil, leaving your skin feeling clean and hydrated without any harsh chemicals. But it's not just about what's not in the formula, it's also about what's in it. Native combines safe, synthetic fragrances with natural fragrances to create scents that are both luxurious and gentle on the skin. Whether you're a fan of coconut and vanilla, lavender rose, or cucumber mint, there's a scent for everyone. And let's talk about the experience. Showering or bathing with Native Body Wash isn't just a routine task, it's a sensory experience. The rich lather, the refreshing scents, the feeling of soft, hydrated skin, it's like bringing the spa into your own home. Plus, Native is committed to being vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. And with their range of scents and sizes, there's something for everyone. But don't just take my word for it. Thousands of satisfied customers swear by Native Body Wash. From the soothing lavender scent to the refreshing cucumber mint, people love how this body wash leaves their skin feeling clean, soft, and hydrated. So, if you're tired of struggling with acne-prone skin and searching for the perfect body wash, look no further than Native. With its clean ingredients, delightful scents, and gentle formula, it's truly the best natural body wash for acne-prone skin on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy washing!